Welcome back, guys. Here's where we're at. The correct turbo core arrived. All pipes and fittings connected. I had a big cleanup of the injectors and installed a new seal kit. Inlet manifold cleaned, assembled with a new pressure pipe and the injectors, and all the fuel pipe was replaced. I had test fitted the manifold earlier and used the old turbo as a template to make sure this would fit. Final install of inlet manifold and assembly can begin. I finally get to fit the new turbo. Can't get that close. I can't even get it close. Oh no. Let's try it. So we're taking the ant stick off the bottom, which it needs anyway, but let's just humour me, okay? Let's just put this down here and push that in as far as we motherfucking can. And look, it doesn't fit. Oh, I'm not used to that. Oh, goodness me. Yeah, look at that. The old one fits. And the new one doesn't. Old one fits, the new one doesn't. Old one fits, the new one... Hey guys, I've got some really great news for you. Actually, no I haven't, it's all shit. Yeah, no, wonderful. Going all really great. Got all the inlet manifold all back together again. Got everything together. Could start seeing the end of the rainbow as it was, and yeah, get the turbo in now. I test fitted the old one a number of times. They looked identical. It's the most similar one they can get. Fair enough. Yep. Go to put it in, and it's about 5mm too long. Can't get it in. I'm going to break the inlet fucking pipe that I already had. Yeah, at the moment I'm just going to shut the door to the garage and pretend it. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me. When the chips are down, I always say, do what makes you feel happy. So what I did was what any self-respecting bloke would do. I went to ChatGPT and I composed the most wonderful divorce letter to the car. As I sit down to pen this note, it is with a heavy heart and a sense of finality that I address you. You've been a part of my life for quite some time. You actually haven't really, but accompanying me on countless one journey, and adventures. However, the time has come for us to part ways, and I feel it necessary to explain the reasons behind my decision. First and foremost, our relationship has been plagued by an overwhelming frustration. Every attempt to improve your performance or replace faulty parts has been met with disappointment. It's become clear that your design and construction have proven to be quite incompatible with my own expectations. The constant struggle to make you function properly has taken a toll on my patience and my overall fucking well-being. Moreover, the financial burden you impose upon me cannot be ignored. Your overpriced components and maintenance costs have been a continuous drain on my resources. It is disheartening to improve both time and money into a vehicle that fails to deliver the satisfaction and reliability I had hoped for. It is with regret that I must admit your current state has rendered you little more than a piece of junk in my eyes. In the light of these circumstances, I believe it is best for both of us to move on. I understand that you were once a source of excitement and pride, but it is time to acknowledge the reality of our situation. May you find your place, either at a fucking salvage yard or as a project for someone with a different perspective. Goodbye, 2000 WRX. Our paths may have diverged, but I hope you will find the tranquility that has eluded us during our time together. My workmates discovered this letter, and they went to ChatGPT and came up with this. I recently had the opportunity to read your heartfelt letter. Every issue you have encountered so far has been seen as an opportunity to learn, grow, and ultimately conquer the challenges you have faced. Your Subaru has been a canvas for your automotive aspirations, allowing you to experiment, innovate, and truly understand the mechanics that bring it to life. It is not just a car. It is a testament to your commitment and passion for automobiles. Instead of bidding it farewell, imagine the satisfaction of seeing it transform under your skilled hands into a machine that can not only meet your expectations, but can exceed them. I sincerely hope you reconsider and allow your expertise to guide this journey to a different destination, one of success, pride, and fulfillment. Yeah. Wow, that was enlightening. So how about this? I'll do some research. Send me some suggestions in the comments section. Should I kick it to the curb or persevere? And if so, what the hell do I do? Thanks for watching. And in the end, there's a few more sweary bits. Only if you want to watch them, of course. Oh, goodness me. You fucking premature ejaculator. What the fuck now? So that means all of this back off again. Another motherfucking one of those. I'm losing my shit here, man. This is just fucking. No, that's just fucking awesome. I can't think of anything better I'd rather be doing with my time than wasting it with a piece of shit like this. Words fail me. Oh no, they don't. Mother sucking fucking dick bags, cock wobbling dick cock ass.